How's it going, everyone? Thanks for joining me today on the TradeConfident.io website. We are currently 56 wins, 0 losses, and today I'm going to be talking to you all about Bitcoin and what I expect for the crypto market with today's FOMC meeting. Let's dive in. First things first, we have another 4% trade win on Solana. This trade was called out yesterday, July 24th. This puts us at 56 wins, 0 losses, and we have new trade setups for our members. More on that later, but for now, let's jump into the news. The Federal Reserve is expected to lift interest rates by another 0.25 percentage point at its meeting today, but don't expect officials to signal mission accomplished. For one, inflation is still above the Fed's 2% target. May's core personal consumption expenditures index, a gauge the Fed uses to measure progress in its fight against rising prices, rose 4.6% year over year. However, some economists say July's rate hike, should it come, will be the last one of this cycle, citing progress on inflation and slowing the economy. So with that, we are expecting another 0.25% interest rate hike. And with that, let's go into the Bitcoin metrics. Throughout that, I'll show you exactly what I'm expecting. First things first, the Bitcoin emotional index. The people are feeling very anxious. This is very normal as we lead into the FOMC meeting, especially as prices drop. Now, typically what you're going to see before an FOMC meeting is actually this drop. This is very, very normal as whales prepare for retail traders to kind of freak out, see bad economic news. Oh no, the interest rate hikes are increasing. Things are going to get worse. People drop out of the market, and then whales buy in and take advantage of our retail traders' anxiety and fear. Don't get caught up in that, and we can look at the Bitcoin volatility breakout detector. And what you're seeing here is we are very near the breakout zone again. Typically, when you see us near the breakout zone, like right here, or back here, this is where you're seeing insane moves in the market. You as a retail trader really need to be paying attention to Bitcoin volatility. Next up, let me prove something to you real quick. Bitcoin whale smart money metric here. Right now, you're seeing a ton of long trade sentiment in the market for whales. What this means to you as a retail trader is you're likely to see prices increase, especially after this FOMC meeting. We're going to see a drop. I think we are going to see a little bit of a drop, but after that, a pretty significant move to the upside. And to place our targets, you need to be looking at the Bitcoin major support and resistance levels. You still see structure support at $28,473, but from there, structure resistance is lying around the $31,862 mark, maybe a little bit lower, $31,443, but in this range right here, that's where you're going to be looking for your structure resistance if we see a significant move up. If we look at the Bitcoin long versus short trades here, there is no significant movement, although it does appear to be a very, very small dip in short trades, which of course is bullish, and you're seeing a little bit of a price move up because of that. This is very likely whales liquidating out of there a little bit of short trades, not too much, but again, whales definitely crashed this market over the past few days in anticipation of the FOMC meeting. Whales are going to be buying up your liquidity as a retail trader, so be on the lookout for that. And with that, we're going to be looking at the Bitcoin trade signals chart. I expect this to be the bottom of this move. I think what you're going to see is a buy signal right about here, and after that, a pretty significant move to the upside. Now, of course, we saw up here that our targets are going to be closer to the 31 or 32, even pretty close to the $32,000 mark. I think that's where you're going to be looking for, especially if we see long trades enter and short trades exit the market. All of this is going to be absolutely crucial for you to pay attention to. You need to be paying attention to these metrics every single day, especially with the FOMC meeting coming up later today. Of course, we will keep everyone updated on that. We'll give you live charts later in the afternoon. But again, whales are going to eat up retail traders' liquidity. They've already been dropping the market. People are feeling very anxious, very scared, and with bad news coming out, the likely 0.25% interest rate hike, people are going to freak out. Retail traders are going to feel even more anxious and fearful. They're going to sell out of the market. Whales are going to take advantage of that, take over your liquidity, and pump the market back up to make their profit. This is how whales work. You need to be following whale money because whales are the market makers. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. So we need to be paying attention to whale smart money, especially we're seeing a ton of long trade sentiment. Just pay attention to that. Of course, we may see a little bit of drop again as retail traders sell out, but we need to stay vigilant. I really do think we're going to be seeing moves up soon. One last time, my targets, we may see a tiny bit of a move down, not much, to $28,473. I think that's the absolute worst before we bounce and move up to at least $31,443. Like I said, though, if you're a Bitcoin trader, even if you trade cryptocurrency at all, you need to be paying attention to what Bitcoin is doing, and the Bitcoin metrics are the state-of-the-art data that you need to do so. Bitcoin, along with 20 coins total worth of metrics, are included in our membership, along with our trade setups right here, 56 wins, 0 losses with 9 active trades. We are absolutely crushing this market with these metrics. You can also get access to our future forecast right here, members-only content from the founder of Trade Confident himself, and I actually want to show you this real quick. The profits tab, we just got this. This is one of the best testimonials I've seen. So this person wrote in about 6 days ago with their testimonial. Let me show you that first. This person was impressed with the accuracy of the scalping trades and the buy alerts. They started following us with the Morning Brew Overview daily alerts and the scalping trade calls. Their $59 a month membership is already paid for within the profits made in 6 days. Up here though, it's now been 12 days since they've joined and they've covered 3 months worth of membership fees. No leverage, only spot trading. They took our last 2 scalping trades with AVAX and Solana. Those were called over the last couple of days. They love the new addition of the indicator on the scalping trades. It showed that Solana had an 87% chance of a pump and AVAX a 93%. It's just like a robot. You just need to follow the highest probability scalping trade call. Thank you so much for this testimonial. That is absolutely awesome. Great job crushing it in this market. Now, if you want to get access to all of these benefits, if you want to grab these profits like this person did, you can grab our membership at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more. The membership is going to be the very first link. Click that. It'll bring you to our membership page. You're going to want to grab the full access for $59 a month. You get absolutely insane indicator coupon codes, $450 up to that at least. You'll get access to all scalping trades, all metrics on our website, Morning Brew overviews, future forecast videos, and many more benefits. This is the best membership you can get in cryptocurrency. We have the highest win rate on YouTube. Again, 56 wins, 0 losses for 2023. Absolutely insane. If you want to join our winning membership, just click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, thanks again for joining us on the TradeConfident.io website to cover Bitcoin here. Thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and we'll see you in the next video.